Are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them girl keep the black thing shining. We still a win. Are we still a win? Unruly thing. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them to know.
Is that recording? Yes, that's recording. Okay. Hey, me Jules.
New Jules, all Jules, in between Jules.
But is it your channel though?
New subscriber Jules.
But is it your channel?
Subscribers to be Jules.
But is it your channel though?
We love you.
Anyway, so it's been an absolute. It's been so long since I've actually sat down and filmed anything for you guys, and I know you've missed my mother.
Yeah,
because I've gotten so many good response from the mum and daughter Jamaican tag. So I just thought I'll bring her along so we can both do the accent tag.
Tug along.
They can't see your hands because it's still. So I thought I'll bring her along to do the accent tag because obviously I've seen it's been flying around YouTube, and I thought, okay, you know, I want to do a bit of them. And plus I want to start doing challenges, so comment below what challenge you think we should do next, and then we'll do that.
Yes. If you want to see me do my makeup as usual, and if you want to see me do some sewing, some cooking, any little thing, you just let me know, comment below in the description box.
That will all be on my other channel though. I've got two channels.
Oh yeah,
so the makeup tutorials will obviously be on my beauty channel, which is julz. I'll leave a link below, so go and subscribe to that channel. This is just for literally vlogging, challenges and sit down chit chats. Anywho, moving on. So let me look. I don't know how you actually do this accent tag thing.
Yeah, we're gonna
let's just go with one that I had written down. Okay, so the first accent we're gonna try and do is the American accent.
Oh my god.
Okay, so alright. You go first. Go first.
I should really have an idea about
Say your
it.
name. My name is
both my brothers are Americans, so I should know about it. But oh my god.
Try.
This English accent want to come out. No, when I don't want. Hey man, my name is Julian, man.
Mamba.
Yeah.
Let me try. Oh my god, like Becca, girl, slay them eyelashes, slay that makeup, girl. You look so fine. I think I did better than you. Yeah?
Okay, then please be the judge, yeah?
Yeah,
okay.
Comment below who actually won. Yeah. Next is Indian.
My name is Julian.
Oh, what is that?
I just don't understand.
That's terrible.
We live in a country where it's so diverse. Everybody lives around multicultural and stuff. But to be honest with you, picking up the accents seriously is you know you can say it's a task. But at least I'm trying.
Go again.
You know.
Go again.
My name is Julian. Go on.
Do you want some poppadoms? That sounds a bit better.
Oh, you went to school with them, that's the thing. Me only like have short encounters like go to the shop, blah 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 blah. She actually went to school with them, so yeah.
Okay, the next one is oh god, let me just skip that. I don't know
which one?
Somalian. I can't do it. I can't do it.
No, we don't want nobody to be upset that way. Yeah, that we're not doing the accent right.
Okay,
but that's just to show that you should respect your language because somebody else wants to do it and can't do it. Do you know what I mean?
Romanian.
Oh Jesus, that worse. That worse. That worse.
Yeah, I can't lie.
Nigerian, little.
Scottish.
Yeah.
I'm from Scotland.
I'm going Scotland.
Scottish. I think I look really pretty. I'm Scottish. I'm
going to Dublin.
Dublin's not in
Ireland.
Scotland. That's Ireland. Oh my god.
Going okay, we've been to Scotland. No, it's this thing.
Oh my god. Okay, Irish. I'm Irish. Do you have Irish accent? I'm Irish. I'm from Ireland. I'm from Ireland.
Twist your tongue a bit, yeah.
No, you have to do it.
My name is Julian. Oh, it's similar to English, but the twist your tongue a bit.
Mum, that sounds terrible.
Yeah, no. I'm really trying.
I'm from Ireland. I'm Irish. Look at the Irish. I think I got that one pretty good. Okay, Spanish.
¿Cómo se llama?
Adios, amigo. Ay, papi. Venezuela. I'm Spanish. Espanol. 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 And Jamaican, come on. That's for the accent, no.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
How you do?
Yes, good.
Alright.
Good, my girl. Oh.
God have mercy.
But yes, guys, so that is all the accents that we thought of.
That we think we've got an idea about. And you know, from day to day you might think, oh yeah, I can speak like this one or that one, but seriously, try it and you will see that it's not that easy. So thumbs up to those who have mastered speaking a different accent, because I know that I've failed miserably.
Miserably.
If
And
not
the funny thing about it is that
I've tried,
she
but
can actually do it when the camera's
yeah,
not on.
well, I don't know what happened to this camera.
It looks
Why
like
look
because
at
she
me
hasn't
like
been on
that?
camera for a couple of months, yeah. Because the last time we filmed was when December.
Yeah.
It's now she just got camera shy. Girl, what are you doing?
I haven't got a clue.
That's terrible. But yeah, me Jules, me old
Yeah, me
Jules, me
Jules,
new Jules, me in between Jules.
Jules.
Thank you for watching.
Loving
It's been a while since I've actually come on here. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers for subscribing.
And
Like, it really means a
share,
lot.
tell
I want
others.
to do a giveaway, of my own products, as I've got my own cosmetics line called Brittle Jam Cosmetics. I'll leave
Lip
all the
balm.
descriptions in the description box below. Please go
Next
and
weekend,
follow all those social media below. I've also got my own Facebook group for YouTubers, so please go and follow that as well. It's called Out of Many One YouTubers, which the name derived from the Jamaican saying out of many one people. So yeah, go and check out all my social media platforms.
Please
Go
share,
follow.
tell others to please subscribe. Please, we're trying to reach 1,000 so she can do her giveaway.
Right, it's gonna
And
be
it's gonna
lit.
be lit.
And also you'll get some of my mum's own products once I do the giveaway. So it'll be mine and my mum's
And I'll
business
show you
combined.
next time what they look like. Nice soap, nice decorate candles.
And even if you want a personalized penis, she can make it for you.
That's true. I'll even show you that as well.
So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. And comment below who won the accent. I think I won.
I know you're gonna vote for me.
I think the thing's a goodie over here win because I got that Irish
And you know the
accent on
queen
smash.
over here.
You understand? Yes. Yeah,
Okay, you tell
would have been boozled.
You're gonna get
so
that right, yeah. But
comment down below.
if you can help us to find some new challenge that no one has ever done, for us to start something, yeah, they can come with ideas just as
suggestions.
Suggestions.
And remember, guys, follow me on Snapchat. I'm very active on Snapchat.
Look at my hair. Do
I'm
you like
very-
my things? Really pretty.
I'm very active on Snapchat, so follow me on Snapchat. Mom has got a Snapchat too, but she doesn't know how to use it, so we'll leave that out for now.
We'll learn.
We won't talk about this.
We'll learn.
And say bye.
Soon.
Bye, Joe.
Jumped on a beat like pow. Yeah. Had man ducking like wow. Look, beef on beef, I'm a cow. You could be my girlfriend, I'm a pal. Look, flow so sick, so I flipped it. And I heard mix up, so I mixed it. Had a gal give up, but you kissed it. I know baby wanna eat me like a biscuit. Look, how's my took it so hard? I mean, how's my took it so washed? And I was 15 chilling on the blocks with G's. Like, how you gonna tell me about blocks?